Hi friends, myself Lipin. Today I am going to explain about price action trading with the help of support and resistance. So today mainly we will be focusing on equity market or a cash market. So based on support and resistance with the help of price action trading we will be taking a trade, and I will show you also how to draw the price action trading and how we can take an entry and where we have to exit and where we have to keep stop loss. So all those things I will be explaining through this video. So watch completely this video, then you will be getting a better idea on price action trading and how support is working in price action trading. So everything I will be explained through this video. Okay, before going to the topic, if you are seeing first time my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. Also enable the bell icon so that you'll be getting notification immediately if I upload any new videos. And the same way, like those who are interested to learn more about market, you can visit my YouTube channel Lipin EJ, and you can see a lot of videos related to market. So those who are interested to learn more about intraday or delivery or margin, all those things I have updated in my YouTube channel. So you can visit my YouTube channel and you can learn more about market. Okay, let us come to the topic. So today I am going to explain about price action trading with the help of support and resistance. I am also using TradingView application. Okay, this is one of the best application you can use for chart analysis. And those who are interested to download TradingView application, the link I will be mentioning in my suggested videos. And you can go to my suggested videos and you can download TradingView application. So first thing I will show you the support and resistance. So for support and resistance, you can see there is a option, there is a template option here. So just click on the template option, and you can see here, you can see there is a sync trading option. So just click on the sync trading option. So once you click on the sync trading option, like the entire support and resistance will be added to your chart. So here you can see like now entire support and resistance is already added. So now the second thing is that you have to do the candle settings here. So candle you have to select 5 minutes. After that you have to see the candle pattern here. So you have to select Heikin-Ashi candle. So here the timing will be there, like you have to select 1 day for the data range. So these are the major settings you have to do for support and resistance. Now you can see like your support and resistance is ready now here. So here you can see the support and resistance is already ready now, and the timing here you have to change as 5 minutes, and the candle will be Heikin-Ashi candle. So these are the major settings you have to do for support and resistance. And the second thing I am going to explain about price action trading. So this is very important. Okay, like whenever you are going for a trade on the next day, the previous day itself we have to identify the high and low of the previous day. Like if you want to trade on today, the yesterday's high and low we have to identify. Based on that only we will be taking a entry. So today you can see today is the 2nd, here you can see today is the 2nd December, and if you want to trade on today, the previous day like 1st December, high and low we have to identify. So I will show you also how to identify that. First I will remove my high and low. Okay, this is 1st December. So here we have to identify where is the high and low of 1st December. So if you see, this area is a high area, and here you can see this area, you can see this is the low area of that particular day. So we have to mark these two area. So for that you can do that, you can go to, there is a symbol here. So just click on this symbol. So here you can see there is a horizontal line. So just click on the horizontal line and just drag. You can drag wherever you want, you can drag also. So this is a high area. So I'm going to mark this area as a high area. So now the second thing is that we have to identify the low area of previous day. So previous day low, you can see this is the area where is the low. So always take the body of the candle. Okay, so the wick of the candle you can avoid. So this is the low area. So these are the two areas we have identified. Like previously, like if you want to trade on tomorrow, so today's high and low we have to mark, and based on that only we will be taking an entry for the next day. So I'm going to show you the yesterday's high and low for the today's trade. And now here you have to see, like, this is the area you can see here. This was the high area and this is the low area. So if you see this area, this is 2nd December, that is today's low area. So don't mark that, like whenever you are taking, like if you want to draw for current day, because you won't be getting any other high and low. So here you can see, like 2nd December, the high area you can see here. Like for tomorrow's trade, you can see this is a high area and this is a low area. So we have to mark these two areas only. So like for the next day trading, it will be very easy. Like at the end of the day, like after 3:30, you can mark the high and low for the previous day trading. Then based on that, you can take a trade on the next day. So this will be very easy. Okay. So the first thing is that we have to identify the high and low of previous day, and based on that, we will be taking a trade here. And if you see here exactly, you can see the early morning itself, we got an indication. So this is the area. Okay, so you can see this was the area. We have to be very aware. Okay, like you can flag the stock also, like whichever stock is coming nearby low or high, just flag the stock also, so that it will be very easy also for the next day. So like when whichever stock you are identifying, like while drawing high and low, if you see like any stock is the closing or closing is high or low, just note that stock, so that will be easy for the next day. So if you see this stock, it is closing just nearby the low, so immediately we can see that stock for the next day, how it is going to open. So if it is taking support this area, and it can go to the previous day high, so this is the probability. Okay, so based on that only we will be taking a trade. And here if you see exactly, you can see here, this was broken the yesterday's low. If the yesterday's low is broken, the next thing is that you have to see there is any support or resistance is nearby that. So including previous day, here you can see there is a support, and here also you can see there is support. So once this support is broken, so the previous day support is broken, you can take a trade here. And immediately if you take a trade here also, your target will be here. Okay, so immediately you can see with this candle itself, if you take an entry here, your target will be here, because here you cannot take an entry, because you can see like first candle itself, it is almost taking the support. So like that we cannot take an entry, because always we need one candle for entry. Like if it is a day low, if it is a low or high is breaking, we need one candle for confirmation. So here if you see the confirmation, but the second thing is that the support is nearby that, so that we cannot take an entry. And after that, if you see this area, if you see the previous day support is broken, so if you can take an entry here also. So if you take an entry, your target will be here. So this is how we have to identify, like where we have to take an entry, and your stop loss will be here. So this is how we can identify the stock, and you can flag the stock also, like whichever stock is breaking low, high or low. So based on that we can take an entry. So I'll show you also how to flag the stock also. Okay, like if you are finding any stock is like coming to the high or low, you can just click on here, and you can see there is a flag mark. Okay, you can just flag the stock, so that stock will come to red list. Okay, so immediately like next day it will be very easy, like whichever stock we have marked, so that stock will be we can check out like which are the stock is breaking high or low. So based on that we can take an entry. So this is a major advantage of flagging. Okay, like if you flag the stock, it will be very easy to take an entry. So now let us see like Pidilite Industries also, how the things are working here, like based on high and low. So this is the yesterday's high and low. I have already marked. You can see this area. Okay, so this was yesterday's high area, and this was yesterday's low area. So already I have marked this area, and if you see the stock was closing almost nearby this area, right? So we have to observe that stock, and whenever the stock is breaking the high, we can take an entry immediately. And if you see today's exactly, you can see here this area, you can see the high is broken, and there is a resistance also. So you have to see the resistance also. If resistance also broken, with the first candle itself you can take an entry. So stock we can take with the first candle itself, you can take an entry, and this will be your entry point. Okay, so this will be your entry point. So the first candle itself, you can take an entry, and your stop loss will be just below the support. So this is how we will be taking an entry based on support and resistance with the help of price action. So price action is very important. Like whenever high or low is breaking, you will be getting a huge movement. Okay, so after that you can see like the stock is moved like more than 60 point movement is happened here. So if you are waiting for the target like 10 to 20 points, easily you can make it within 10 to 50 minutes. You will be getting the target. So that is advantage. Like once the target is done, we can book even the target here also, like from here to here. So almost you can see like almost 20 points movement is happened like within 10 minutes. So we can book the profit and we can exit the position. And again I will show you like one more trade. So again, if you see today in my Telegram channel also I have given Asian Paint. Okay, so this was the call I was given today. And if you see the Asian Paint chart here, you can see, so this is the area you can see. This was the previous day high, and high is broken with a huge candle. So the second candle itself you can take an entry, and this is your entry point. Okay, so this candle will be your entry point. So this candle will be your entry point, and this will be your stop loss. So after that you can see it is not even coming to that level, and it is going upside. So almost you can see like almost 60 point movement is happened after that. If you see overall, like this was the low area. So low area, if you see here 2240 was the low area, and if you see the high area, so you can see like almost, so this is the high area. So you can see like more than 40 points moved from, sorry, more than 60 points movement is happened from here. So this is how we will be getting a better entry, like based on price action. Like if you draw and you have to see like whichever stock is closing there, immediately you can go for a buying side. Only thing is that you have to check the support and resistance. So here if you see this area, you can see okay, if you see this area, there is no resistance. Okay, only resistance is here. So we can expect a target from here to here. So there is no other support. So this is how we will be getting an entry. So let us see some more stock also. Like you can see today, even Titan also. Let us see. So Titan also, if you see, it was like it was closed like previous day low. So this was a low area. So that is what I told, like whenever it is closing high or low, we have to see that stock. So if it is closing in a low, and if it is forming a green candle from here, we can take an entry, and this will be your target area. So exactly you can see that it is going to the high also. So always we have to see whether it is opening in a low range or a high range. So those kind of stock you can flag it, and based on that you can take an entry also. So this is a very easy method where you can take an entry and you can make a profit. So again, if you see Jubilant Life also, you can see. So Jubilant Life also, if you see exactly, you can see this was the previous day high. So the previous day high was broken with a good candle. So this first candle itself you can take an entry, and your stop loss will be just below the previous day high. So after that you can see it is not even coming to that level. So this is how we will be getting an entry based on support, resistance and price action. So if you see like we have to see like lot of stock, like which are the stocks are coming based on this, then we have to identify those stocks. So based on that we have to take an entry. So even including we can see like selling side also we can see. So if you see, okay, let us see HDFC Bank. So HDFC Bank also, if you see here, like you can see like the previous day close was this area. So it was like almost the low, right? So whenever the stock is closing the low area, we have to flag that stock, and immediately you can see like with the second, third candle itself, we got a confirmation that it is going to be a downside, and we have to wait until this support is broken. So if the support is broken, immediately we can go for, with this candle itself, we can go for a buy side. So with this candle itself, you can go for a sell side, and you can expect the target. At least here you have to be just careful, like whenever there is a support or resistance is there, like previous day support or resistance, you have to be little bit careful. And if it is taking like any green candle, you can exit here. Otherwise your target will be this area. So one resistance, one support to next support will be your target. Okay, if it is resistance to resistance, one support to next resistance will be your target, and when it is coming to the downside, one support to next support will be your target. So this is how we have to identify the entry in a stock in equity market. So equity market we will have a lot of opportunities, like if you see lot of stocks are there, so like you can monitor like daily basis, like maximum 5 to 10 stock. If you monitor, you'll be getting an entry. Like we have to see like whenever it is breaking high or low, based on that we have to take an entry. And only thing is that we have to observe the support and resistance plus price action. So these are the major things in taking a position. So this is all about price action trading. Now I will show you my Telegram channel also, like what are the call I have provided there and how we are taking a call based on price action. Okay, here you can see my Telegram channel, and like daily basis I will be providing like what is support and resistance of Nifty. So all those things I will be providing here, and you can see like immediately you can see the Asian Paint here. I have clearly mentioned this is breaking previous day high, so we have to go for a buying side. Like whenever it is breaking the high, we can go for a buying side, and you can see the performance was like 25 points up. Even I have mentioned, even you can see here I have mentioned even Dr. Reddy's also. So Dr. Reddy's also you can see like it was moved more than 30 points, like with 2 to 3 candle. So we could have booked the profit and we could have exited from there. So if you like those who have less than 10,000 rupees capital, they can buy like 50 stock also. Like 50 stock, if you aim for 500 rupees per stock, at least if you take 5 trade also, you can make at least minimum 2,000 rupees. So this is advantage. Okay, like instead of going only behind Nifty or Bank Nifty, try to do in stock also. Like stock we have a lot of options are there, like we have a lot of multiple stocks are there. So concentrate at least daily basis, like at least 10 stock. If you can concentrate, you'll be getting a better profit also, like whichever stock is breaking high or low, and based on that we can take an entry also. And exactly even you can see the Asian Paint, how the Asian Paint was given performance. And here also you can see like Dr. Reddy's was given like with the 2 to 3 candle itself, we got almost 25 point profit. And same thing with the Asian Paint also. Asian Paint also you can see the chart. Here you can see like exactly it was going upside. So based on the price action trading, we can take an entry, and we can keep a stop loss also, like how where we have to keep stop loss, like just below the previous day high or low, we have to keep the stop loss, and we can take an entry. So this is all about price action trading in stock in equity market. And those who are interested to join this group, you can join. The link I have mentioned in the description. Okay, you can go to my description and you can join to this group. And the same way, like those who are interested to open an account in Angel Broking or Always Blue, you can open the account. The link I have mentioned in my description. So you can go to my description and you can open an account in Angel Broking or Always Blue, or in the same way you can join to this group also. So hope today's topic is clear. If you need any clarification related to this topic, you can comment below this video, and same way you can share this video to your friends who are interested in trading. So kindly share, subscribe, like. Thanks for watching.